Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer cryptocurrency from Atomic Wallet to Coinbase. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Atomic Wallet application. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From the wallet section, select the cryptocurrency that you like to transfer from Atomic Wallet to Coinbase. Then click to send from the bottom of your screen. There, paste the address or domain of your Coinbase wallet. Then choose the quantity of your cryptocurrency that you like to transfer. Once you have entered all your details, click to send. Then your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Atomic Wallet to Coinbase. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.